Hello, I'm Becky Campbell from Sewforever. I would love to teach you how easy English paper piecing can be. Let's skip the traditional glue, basting, whip stitching, or pulling papers. You will learn how to cut shapes, including focus or fussy cutting, and proceed right to straight stitching by hand or machine. If you've tried English paper piecing before and didn't like it or found it too time-consuming, this class is a game changer. Join me in class to learn English paper piecing made modern. How do you feel about applique? What if you did not need to trace shapes or a placement guide, cut freezer paper from the back of your project, and you achieve precise results without years of practice? Beginner and experienced quilters are delighted by how easy turned edge applique can be. Innovative Appliqué introduces you to time-saving techniques that enable you to master applique. Learn at your own pace with these on-demand virtual classes. Each 2.5-hour class, you will discover new skills that help you make the most of your creative time with English paper piecing and applique. Sign up for my newsletter to be notified when these classes are available. Follow me on Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook. Watch Sewforever YouTube videos to learn more about Sewforever's modern approach to simplifying complicated tasks. Thank you for your time and consideration.